Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. I'm so excited I partnered with Wequeen once again to bring you this video on this headband wig. I am loving this one. This is a very cute 12-inch straight bob. Super cute, very easy to just throw on when you need to get out of the house or as a protective style. As you can see, I have no leave out. All of my hair is completely protected underneath the wig, so very good for a protective style. This wig is obviously a little different from the curlier styles that I wear with my curly headband wig. The short one that I showed you from Wequeen is super cute, but I do love this straight style, straight and short in this bob cut, very cute. So this video will be simple enough. I'm just going to show you how what my hair looks like underneath, how I apply the wig. I'm going to straighten it so you can see how it can get bone straight just like this. And that's it. So before we get started, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out. And make sure you are following me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, so let's just jump right into it. So this is the package that it comes in. I did a full unboxing in my last Wequeen video with the 12-inch kinky curly wig. I will link that in the description box if you want to see a full unboxing of everything that comes with the wig. But I'm not going to do a full unboxing in this video. I'm just going to literally make this quick and show you how I put on the wig and style the wig. So this is the bag. I'm just going to pull it out. Here you go. So this is their 1B grab and go headband wig, straight 12-inch bob. I love the natural color. I love the feel of this wig. The hair is very soft. It's very flowy. It's not stiff. But what I'll do is I will just straighten the wig with a hair straightener and I'll apply it and put it on, and that's it. Of course, as you can see, it does have the clips that make it very easy to put on and stay secure. There's 3 clips in the front. There is a clip on the back of the wig. It also still comes with straps in case you need to make the wig a little tighter. My head is big enough, so I do not need it any more tight than it already comes. It actually is a very comfortable wig to wear, but my head is just shaped to where I don't need the extra strap. The clips in the front and the back are enough to keep it secure all day. Now we have the straps to secure the headband. So I'm going to go ahead and just secure that. All right, so the headband is on, it is secure. Great. Super easy to put on, super easy. As you can see, it's already pretty bone straight. It's very flowy, it has a lot of movement to it. But what I'm going to do is just apply some serum and then just go through it with the flat iron a little bit just so I can give it a little bump at the end, and I'll put on the headband, and that's it. Obviously you don't want to put too much product, you don't want to weigh it down, but just enough for the flyaways. All right, that's it. What do you think? This is super, super cute. Very simple style to throw on as a protective style, or if you're on the go and in a hurry, just throw on this wig. So cute, I love it. As you can see, it has a lot of movement. It's not stiff at all. Very great hair quality from Wequeen. Right now, I think you can buy this wig for $79. I think there's a sale going on right now. So make sure you head over to their link. It's in the description box. I also have a coupon code that'll help you get some coins off as well. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.